Hey guys, it's still in at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this, a Yamaha XT1200Z Super Tenere. Really cool bikes. You would never ever struggle with these. They always sell pretty quick. So this one's beautiful. It's 2012 and it's got 16,541 miles from new. You've got all these wind deflectors here, there and everywhere. Nice dark screen, and again the extender on top of there. It's got the handguards on this one. It's got the sump guard down there. It's got these really cool non-racing exhausts, and they're twin, so one at either side. Plus other little bits and bats here and there as well, headlight guard and stuff, so plenty of bits. On these, you do get the traction control and you do get the rider modes as well. But really fantastic bikes. Like I say, we never ever struggle with these. So if you do fancy it, be quick, give us a call and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.